Harbor. Harbor. A harbor is a sheltered area of water, usually a body of sea, lake, or river, where ships and boats can find safety from rough weather conditions, tides, or the open sea. Harbors are typically protected and enclosed by land formations, such as breakwaters or natural features like bays or covers, which create a haven for vessels to anchor, load, or unload cargo, and dock. The word harbor has its origins in Old English, derived from the West Germanic language group. In Old English, the term was Herborg, which combines Heer, meaning army or host, and Borg, meaning refuge or shelter. Over time, the word evolved into Herberwe in Middle English, eventually becoming harbor in modern English. Now let's use harbor in an example. At the end of the treacherous storm, the weary sailors rejoiced as they finally spotted the calm waters of the harbor. Thanks for listening in. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.